Hello everyone, we have an exciting topic for today, and that is data scientist versus data analyst. Currently, all of us are living in an information-driven world, and organizations rely on data for various decision makings. This in turn provides a lot of job opportunities for candidates who can play with data. Out of the many job roles in the field of data science, the two popular ones are that of a data scientist and a data analyst. Haven't we all wondered at some point as to what the exact difference is between these two job roles? Or wait, are they the same? Well, they differ in various ways, and you will see how in this video. We will start off by looking at the job descriptions of both the data scientist and the data analyst. Then we will look at their responsibilities and skill set. We will also have a look at their salary structure and the various companies hiring for these professionals. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's have a look at the job description now. A data scientist is a professional who uses different statistical methods, data analysis techniques, and machine learning in order to understand and analyze data in order to arrive at business conclusions. They proactively fetch information from a plethora of sources and analyze it for better understanding about how the business performs, and they also build AI tools that automate certain processes within the company. They derive meaning out of messy and unstructured data. A data scientist is usually a senior-most member in the team. Moving to the description of data analyst, a data analyst is responsible to collect, process, and perform analysis on large data sets. They deal with data handling, data modeling, and reporting. They are sometimes the entry-level members into the data analytics team. They bring technical expertise to ensure the quality and accuracy of the data, then process, design, and present it in ways to help people, businesses, and organizations make better decisions. After a few years of experience, data analysts can move into the roles of a data engineer and a data scientist. Now that we have understood the job descriptions, let's go ahead and understand the various roles and responsibilities of a data scientist and a data analyst. Firstly, data scientists are responsible for performing cleaning, processing, and manipulation of data using several data analytics tools. They also perform ad hoc data mining and collect large sets of structured and unstructured data from a number of sources. Secondly, data scientists interpret the data using various statistical methods. They design and evaluate advanced statistical models to work on big data. Thirdly, data scientists regularly build predictive models and machine learning algorithms to work on vast volumes of data. Lastly, data scientists use visualization packages and tools to create reports and dashboards for relevant stakeholders. They also work with data analysts and data engineers to formulate the analysis results. Let's now have a look at the various responsibilities of a data analyst. The first responsibility of a data analyst is to recognize and understand the company's goal. This in turn helps in streamlining the whole analysis process. They are required to assess the available resources, comprehend the business problem, and gather the right set of data. This step is done by collaborating with different team members such as data scientists, business analysts, and programmers. They gather data from various databases and warehouses through querying. They write complex SQL queries and scripts to gather and extract information. Data analysts also filter and clean data to get the required information. They are responsible for data mining as well. Data is mined from various sources and then organized in order to obtain new information from it. Data analysts identify and analyze trends in complex data sets using various statistical tools. A data analyst is also responsible for creating summary reports for the leadership team so that they can make timely decisions. Data analysts use multiple data visualization tools for achieving this. In order to achieve all the above-mentioned responsibilities, data scientists and data analysts are required to possess a rich skill set. Let's now have a look at few of the most important skills required to back the position of a data scientist. The basic requirement to become a data scientist is that you must have a bachelor's degree in computer science or information technology. But a master's degree in the field of data science will be a lot more beneficial. You also need to have a good experience in the analytics domain. As I mentioned before, this role is a senior role, and to get here, the right amount of experience is a must. Let's have a look at the tools you need to know. Knowledge of Microsoft Excel is good. It is one of the most basic requirements. Speaking of programming languages, you should be good at Python, C++, and Java. Knowledge of Perl is a brownie point. You should also be proficient in SQL. As we discussed earlier, data scientists work on building machine learning algorithms. Hence, you need to have a good knowledge of machine learning and deep learning. Familiarity with Apache Spark, Apache Hive, and Apache Pig is necessary along with the knowledge of Hadoop. Data visualization and BI skills are necessary for creating reports and dashboards. You should also be able to communicate and present information and ideas clearly. So these are the skills required to become a data scientist. If you want to explore the role of a data analyst, then you should hold a degree in any relevant field, be it engineering and computer science, information technology, or electrical engineering. You can also be a graduate in statistics or economics. Moving on to the tools, once again, you should be familiar with Microsoft Excel. The next important skill is that you should have good hands-on experience with programming languages such as Python, R, and JavaScript. This would help you write programs to solve complex problems. You should also have a good knowledge of statistical and data analytics tools such as SAS, Miner, and SSAS. You must be able to write various SQL queries and procedures. In addition to these, you must have a strong understanding of statistics and machine learning algorithms. These include concepts such as hypothesis testing, probability distributions, and various classification and clustering techniques. Most importantly, a data analyst should be able to create visually appealing reports with the help of charts and graphs using several data visualization tools such as Power BI and Tableau. They must possess good presentation skills as well in order to convey their ideas to the clients and stakeholders in a better way. So these are the skills that are required to become a data analyst. Let's now have a look at the annual salary range of a data scientist and a data analyst both in the US and in India. In the United States, a data scientist can earn a minimum salary of $61,000 to a maximum of $136,000 per year. Meanwhile, in India, a data scientist can earn a minimum salary of 3,47,000 rupees to a maximum of 2 million rupees per annum. A data analyst in the United States can earn a minimum salary of $43,000 to a maximum of $85,000 per year. In India, you can earn anywhere between 1,98,000 rupees to 9,24,000 rupees per annum. Let's now take a look at the various companies hiring data scientists and data analysts. Here we have Amazon, the internet and search engine giant Google, Deloitte, the American multinational technology company Microsoft, then we have Apple and the American social media web and mobile application company Pinterest hiring data scientists. From the many companies hiring data analysts, here we once again have Amazon, then we have the popular retail company Walmart, Robert Half, and AT&T. Next, we have social media firms Facebook and Twitter. As you might have heard of the term data never sleeps, well, it surely doesn't. And not only that, but it also brings in a number of job opportunities with it. The job growth in this domain is limitless, and data will only continue to grow. Let's have a look at few of the stats now. Well, IBM had predicted that by this year, that is 2020, the number of job listings in the field of data science and analytics will increase by 364,000. And we had the US Bureau of Labor Statistics predicting that there will be a rise in the data science needs, and this in turn will create 11.5 million job openings by 2026. Now that's a big number, isn't it? And if you are aspiring to become a data scientist, then you are on the right path as there is a huge demand for this role. According to Deloitte, the United States is projected to face a shortfall of 250,000 data scientists by 2024. That's barely just in 4 more years. All these stats prove that the job demand in the field of data science and data analytics is here to stay. Professionals belonging to this domain are in high demand all across the globe. Now let's have a look at the Google search trends for data scientists and data analysts. As you see, the blue color depicts data scientists and the red data analysts. Both the search trends go hand in hand, and over time the search term data analyst is higher, but the search term of that of a data scientist is experiencing a steady rise. Let's have a look at the worldwide YouTube search trend as well. As you can see on your screens, it looks like people are more keen on exploring the job role of a data scientist, and looks like they want to learn more about the job role of a data scientist compared to that of a data analyst. Nevertheless, the search term data analyst is also right there in the competition. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you can now clearly differentiate between the job roles of a data scientist and that of a data analyst. Depending on your interest and skills, you can choose between either of these roles. Hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the Simplilearn channel. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.